we just had a best ever month in terms of sale, that is July 2022. So I'd like to share the secret with you. So before I share that secret, let me share the real vulnerable story behind it. So my last launch of my group coaching happened back in April 2022. That was awesome. That was like my previous highest. Okay. Now this is the biggest ever throughout my all online journey. So that point of time, April 2020, I had a good sales. But what happened after 2 months, the next 2 months, I was not focusing more on sales part. I was actually delivering the just value to my community. So sometimes I forget about my sales thing. Okay. Sometimes I was not actually work on my sales. I was not working, improving my sales process. So that is the reason why what I did, it was like worst ever month in last 10 months of my coaching journey. Then I realized what I'm doing. Even after I'm teaching how to grow business, how to make like $1,000 online and these things, why happened to me? So I would like to give you one thing that sometimes life will hit you hard, that you have to go to the bottom. Then you realize that you did mistake, then you will bounce back. July, I tried to bounce back through my consistency with YouTube. Now today I'm recording 49th day of YouTube. So it's been more than 1.5 months. I've been continuously working on it. So it's given me that consistency back again. Okay. I did Facebook Live. At that point of time, I was more focusing on interacting with my audience. But the momentum was broken when I was not focusing more on influence building. Then I started working on this. Okay. July month, something happened. I was actually about to crack one high ticket sales. Then some emergency happened. I lost that. I again like what I'm doing. It's been like 3 months. I've been just losing sales after sales. What's happening with me? Then I just took a leap of faith that I can do it. Then I launched my new product. So every time when I see there is a dip in my sales, that given me new opportunity, new directions in the path. So sometimes life will hit you very hard, but do not take it as a failure. Take it as a blessings to your life, because there is just some indications from God, the higher power that you believe in, that actually giving you signal that you need to work on yourself and think beyond what you are thinking right now. So now let's come to the secret part. There is literally people ask me for secret, but let me give you the uh, stats. What the stats? Last month, July 2022, I did my best ever effort in terms of showing up to my community. Okay, whether it is my Facebook community, whether it is my own private community. Facebook community, I used to go maximum 5 days in a month. Okay. In terms of the giving value, 5 day challenge or 3 day challenge, or sometime webinar. But this time I did 9 days. So it actually increased my show up rate, and that's how I was able to nurture the people. Then I did good in terms of Facebook Live challenge. That was 7 day challenge, but 2 days was extra bonus sessions. Okay. Then coming back to my community private challenge, what I did actually uh, 18, 20, 27 shop. 19 was to actually give them value, 15, and another rest 12 is all about going and asking questions, Q&A sessions. So when it comes to like showing up to the community, it actually keeping me accountable that okay, I'm there. I'm for whatever problem they have, I'm there to help them. So that is the commitment that leads me to make the biggest ever deal that I ever make. I'll not share that figure. That is definitely in the somewhere around 4 figure. But the thing is, this is the what it takes to actually build highest ever month sales. So I would highly recommend, do not focus, if you're starting out, do not focus on uh, just getting sales. Sales is just a number, like, but think like, to get these sales, what the top revenue producing activities you can do? Focus on great content that I did through YouTube. Then I reshared on Facebook, my Facebook group, Instagram. So I was visible to maximum people through my content. Second, I did there was a live challenge I did. Okay, showing up for 9 days. So like, how many? Let's suppose if you are doing a webinar or something, how many webinar you would like to do? If you are doing a calls, weekly calls, okay, sorry, weekly, no, not one-to-one calls. So let's suppose you are doing 2 calls per day to your prospect client, and let's suppose you are working 5 days in a week. So in total, you can do actually 40 calls in a month. So now focus on that to achieve this. Now, if you achieve this, sales is a number game. Maybe you convert 20% people. So out of that, you can literally convert like eight conversions. If you're selling at least $100 product, you are getting $800 commissions. $800 sales. Or if you're affiliate, you are selling, then let's suppose the $100 product I promote that gives 100% commission. That is also gives me $100, $800 commissions. That's something I did back in 2021. That I was focusing on, okay, what are the one process I should focus, and that is going to give me sales. I wasn't focusing on the sales, focusing on the numbers. How many people I can connect, how many people I can get on a call. Okay, so put a goal of, let's suppose, 50 call per month. That is the one goal I wanted to achieve, no matter what. Okay, to achieve that one goal, just put all your energy there itself, then see how it is working. So I would request, the secret is something that build your focus uh, effort list, or the process list that you are going to work on. That the result will be follow when you actually go to the call or do webinar, and you have the offer to actually give to your audience, then people will take. That's what sales happens. So this is the simplified versions of actually to get sales if you're still struggling to get your first sale or the next sale. I hope you got some kind of value from this, my journey. That's how I will be documenting my journey with you, so that you learn from my mistakes. Okay, so that you save a lot of time. If you really found value, please write down in the comment box that you got value and what is the process goal you want to focus, whether it is call, whether it is webinar, whether it is maybe you wanted to start conversation, you want to do reach out to these people, anything, and anything that actually contributes to like generate your sales. Sales is the end goal. Sales you cannot control, which is I've already talked about that. I learned from MS Dhoni that focus on controllables. What is the controllables? That is your process, your effort. So build your effort goal, not your just sales goal. Sales goal, just keep, you just write it down and keep it aside. Now create that, what kind of actions you will take to achieve this. That is the secret. I hope you find value from this video. Please hit this like button and subscribe button, and so that you will notified uh, the content like this, and you will be learning throughout my journey. And also I have a free course to give. If you join my community, you will get it. Otherwise, there is a link below. Just check it out. Bye bye. Take care.